Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to DM someone on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on the mail icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. To DM someone, just tap on Write a Message button or just tap on the email button with plus icon on it. Then search for the person that you'd like to send the message. Then select the user. Now write the message on the message box and tap on the send button. And this is how you can DM someone on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.